The next MacBook Pro, featuring the M5 chip, seems to be on track to launch toward the end of October or early November 2025, just like its recent release cycles. While the M4 MacBook Pro only arrived in November 2024, equipped with the full-fat 10-core CPU and 10-core GPU, the tech community is already turning its eyes to what's next. That previous M4 release marked a significant shift. It was the first time Apple had bumped the baseline CPU core count from the usual 8, seen in the M1, M2, and M3, to 10, made up of 6 efficiency cores and 4 performance cores. A real step up, but it still looked like the same MacBook you bought in 2021, just with a new chip and a splash of space black. Don't hold your breath for a fresh design with the M5 either. Leaks strongly suggest that we won't see a visual refresh until at least 2026, which is when the OLED MacBook Pros are expected to arrive alongside the M6 chip. So yes, if you've been hoping for slimmer bezels or an entirely new chassis, you'll need to sit tight for another year or so. For now, the M5 MacBook Pro will continue Apple's trend of chip upgrades without a design glow-up, keeping the same mini LED display and ports we've had for a while now, including that handy extra USB-C port introduced in the M3 models. But when it comes to performance, Apple typically boosts speeds by around 20 to 25% year over year across the CPU, GPU, and NPU. While we're unlikely to see another CPU core increase, since that was 2018. Just done with the M4, the GPU might finally break its 10-core plateau and jump to 12 cores in the baseline M5. It's not confirmed, but it's one of the most reasonable guesses floating around right now. Memory and RAM, however, probably won't budge. Apple just made 16 GB standard, and it's safe to assume they'll stick with that for the M5 models. But we might finally see the baseline storage bumped up from 512 GB to 1 TB, because with storage demands increasing, Apple has every reason to level up here. If they don't, it'll feel like they're squeezing pennies from professionals again. As for who gets the M5 chip first, well, that's still a bit murky. The same leaks hint that the iPad Pro might actually beat the MacBook Pro to the punch. If Apple decides to prioritize the tablet line, there's a slim chance the M5 MacBook Pro could get delayed to spring 2026. But don't bet the farm on it just yet. Most signs still point to a fourth quarter 2025 launch. In terms of pricing, don't expect anything too dramatic, as long as tariffs don't mess things up. If the current trend holds, Apple is likely to keep the baseline M5 MacBook Pro priced similarly to the M4 model. That's assuming they don't sneak in an OLED display or any other premium hardware ahead of 2026. But once that OLED version does drop, we can expect a price hike.